Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can convert your normal videos into a green screen video on CapCut PC. I have this video here, so I'm just going to select cutout and I'm going to select auto cutout. Then I'm going to go to library and I'm going to add this green screen. If you don't want the rest, just zoom in on it by lot and you'll have this green screen left. And that's it. You can just simply export this to a video, and then when you upload it, people can use it as a green screen. I'll show you what I mean. I know the here is kind of cut off, but if I right click create compound clip and went to cutout and went to chroma key and selected the green screen, people can now use your video as a green screen overlay. So that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!